Shut up, I'm at 2%. Alright, bye.
I got video going. Angel, I'm getting a video of this one. I'm getting a video of this.
I'm going live on Facebook.
I can't do that. I could take videos though. TikTok? No, I can't. I think I need to get more subscribers before I can do that.
Not for YouTube, for TikTok.
How many viewers are you getting? You got 1 viewer so far.
I don't have to hold my phone to do video.
Yeah, you're lucky. Because my phone's getting shaky. But
Hey, Fawn. Live on video. It's live on Facebook. All he's got to do is log in and watch it.
I'm just going to post this on YouTube. He has my YouTube channel. I sent a picture of it to him. I'm also going to post it on Facebook. No, I'm just taking a video. I'm going to post the video on YouTube though.
God damn it.
You can get way more subscribers online. And you can get money.
I don't have a call to know.
One